Hope now we can go and do passage 3, people. Is it okay if we move on to passage 3? Everyone, are you okay? Let's go. Let's go. So, again, hope, mana bu hozirgi holatda bizada title yo'q bo'lsa nima qilamiz? Title yo'q bo'lsa. Title yo'q bo'lsa. What do we do if there's no title? We have task on that. No, you just simply read. Sometimes ideas just pop out of the blue. Or in Charlie Payton's case, out of the rain. One was on a bus in Morocco traveling through the desert. He remembers it had been raining and the bus was full of hot and wet people. So it's about ideas probably. Okay? It's about what ideas come to. Yani aytmoqchi bo'lganim siz tekstga nima haqida haliga bilishingiz kerakda birinchi o'rinda. Hope the idea just came to Charlie by accident. By accident degani tasodifan degani. The bus was well ventilated. Well ventilated degani yaxshi ventilyatsiya qilingan. All right. Keyingisi after waking up found his towel was wet. Uni toweli wet edi, sochig'i. The fan on the bus didn't work well. Anaqa. Avtobusdagi fan, shamol beradigan. Patton immediately operated his own business in Persian Gulf after talking with Philip Davis. Birdaniga ochdi deyapti o'zini biznesini. Hope, no more than 3 words. Cardboard remains, gets caught. Bizada kalit so'z bu yoqda, cardboard degan so'z. All right, remains. Something gets caught. And then something, mana bu ko'rsatgan narsasi. 32 mana bu narsani miydi. Porous cardboard, surface hot seawater, fresh water storage. Endi qachon mana shu protsess haqida qaraymiz bularga va nihoyat davom etsak bo'ladi. To some extent Abu Dhabi greenhouse functions automatically. When the day is sunny, the equipment can respond to changes in several natural elements. When there is no wind, something helped to retain. Help turibdi. Demak, ko'plikda ot kerakligini bilib turishingiz kerak. Even in the future, we have an ideal plan to power the greenhouse from something. However, there are still some ideas, critics who argue that not good economics. Something good, not good economics. Patton presents favorable arguments against these critics and suggests it's something approach. Approach to oldim, bizga adjective kerak. Adjective kerak. Abu Dhabi haqida gapirib boshlasa, men savollarga qarayman. Xo'p, hozirgacha biz faqat birinchi ikkita setga qarab boshlasak bo'ladi. Sometimes ideas just pop out of the blue. Out of the blue degan ibora bor. Bu ham bo'lsa to'satdan, suddenly, right? Uni why we have A, B, C, D, G? I don't know. All right. But in Charlie's case, out of the rain, he was on a bus traveling through the desert. He remembers it had been raining and the bus was full of people. The window steamed up and I went to sleep with a towel against the glass. When I woke, the thing was soaking wet. Demak, sochig'i vashsha anaqa bo'layotgan ekan, soaking wet. Xo'p, bir nima bo'ldi shunda? Bir. By accident, yes, out of the blue. 20 necha? 27, yes. It was yes. 28-chi. The bus was well ventilated. 28-chi savolga qaraylik, birinchi 28. Ring out degan mana suvni siqib chiqarish. 28 not given, no emas. 28 not given. Biz bilmaymiz well ventilated mi? Gap yo'q bu haqida. To'g'rimi? O'zingizdan guess qila olmaysiz, okay? 30 endi 30 ga qarasak, 29 ga qarasak bo'ladi. 29-chi. turganda sochig'i wetmidi, wetmasmidi? Sochig'i. Sochig'i ho'lidi. Shu uchun javob nima bo'ladi? Yes bo'ladi. This thing was soaking wet degani, wet degani. All right. The answer, of course, was condensation, condensatia. Back home in London, a physicist friend, Philip Davis, explained the glass, chilled by the rain outside, had cooled the hot, humid air inside the bus below its dew point, causing droplets of water to form on the inside of the window. Intrigued, Patton, light engineering by profession, started rigging up his own equipment made by my own solar stills. It occurred to me that you might be able to produce water in this way in a desert simply by cooling the air. Wondered whether you could make enough to irrigate, grow crops. What about the next one? The fan in the bus didn't work well. What about this one? For 30. 30 not given as well. Well, quite strange, honestly, if you ask me, quite a strange passage in that, but it's still a real exam passage. This was the real exam passage too, the previous one, this one too, which is kind of strange. I'm doing it for the first time with you guys too. Not given yes, not given yes. All right, today, intrigued by Patton, all right. Fan, like what do you call it? In theater. All right. 31 automatically no, uni bilmaymiz, hali uni bilmaymiz. Patton immediately operated. Persian Gulf haqida hali kelgani yo'q. Persian Gulf kelmadi. Today, decade on, his dream has taken a shape as a giant greenhouse on a desert island of Dubai, the first commercially viable of his suite. Local scientists working with Patton are watering the desert and growing vegetables in what we basically know giant dew-making machine that produce fresh water and cool air from sun and seawater. Shu brat science-dan foydalanib nima qilibdi? Hozir issiqxona bor ekan mana shu joyda. In awarding Patton the first prize in a design competition, Marco, president of Royal Institution of British Architects, called it a truly original idea, which has the potential to impact on the lives of millions of people living in coastal water-starved areas around the world. Bu narsani ta'siri kuchli debdi. Ayniqsa, men bu dengiz bo'yida yashaydigan ochlik, water-starved, suv kam anaqalarga juda zo'r debdi. All right. Hope in the Patton nima qildimi? Immediately operate his own business in the Persian Gulf. Javob nima bo'ladi? 31 ga. 31 ga javob. Immediately operated his own business. What's the answer for 31? I think it's no. No, do'stlar, no. Sababi noligiga sabab decade on deyapti. Decade on, his dream has taken a shape. Hozir bir 10 yildan keyin taken a shape qildi deyapti-da. Ya'ni birdan bo'lmagan, o'sha momentda o'zida o'rtog'i bilan gaplashib sirasi biznes qilib tashlamagan. All right? Decade on, right? Do you guys understand why it's no? Not immediate. That's why. All right. Endi keyingi savol turlariga fokus qilsak bo'ladi. Keyingi savol turlariga fokus qilsak bo'ladi. Baribir uni guess qila olmaymiz, balkim boshqa sababdan unaqadir. All right? Well ventilated gas. Qarang, not given the no the tanlashingiz uchun bironta javobga textda clear contradiction bo'lishi kerak. Clear contradiction bo'lmaguncha tanlay olmaysiz. All right? The seawater greenhouse is developed by Patton has three main parts. Mana bunga endi kelyapmiz do'stlar. Qaraymiz. Ana labeling diagram qiyin savol turi, menga yoqmaydi to'g'risi. Chunki adashib ketmasligingiz kerak. They both air condition the greenhouse and provide water and for irrigation. All right, the front of the greenhouse faces into the prevailing wind. Is it a prevailing wind degan so'z bormi? Or front of the and so that hot dry air blows in through front wall. All right. The wall is made of perforated cardboard uh, kept moist by a constant tackle of seawater from the ocean. Bittasi chiqdi, bittasi chiqdi. Alright, 32 nima bo'ldi? 32 mana kelayotgan narsa nima edi? Cardboardga urilayotgan narsa. Porous degani anaqa teshiklari bor, o'tadi degani. 32 bor, lekin 33 aniq oson bo'ldi. Remains ga kept moist bo'ladi, to'g'rimi? Xo'p, nima bo'ldi 33 shunda? 33. Birinchi 33 dan boshlaylik, chunki sinonim bor. Remains nima bo'ldi 33? Moist bo'ldi. Mana shuni katta qilib yozib qo'ying, bu yoqqa yoza olmayman, chunki rasm. Okay, 30-savol javob moist bo'ldi. Xo'p. Xo'p, mana bu kelayotgan qanaqa havo kelyapti? Mana bu shamolda. Cardboard. Okay, 32-savol javobi dry air. Dry airga qo'shilasizmi? Chunki blows degani mana bu blows belgichasi blows. Mana shamolda endi shamolda belgisida. Right? Dry air blows. All right. Xo'p, ketdik. The the purpose is to cool and moisten the incoming desert air. Nima qilish? Uni cool qilish, mana cooled humidified air deb yozib qo'yibdi. The cool moist allows the plants to grow faster. Mana grow qilyapti. Mana bu yerdagi so'zlar ketdi. So'zlar ketdi. Xot qo'shsa bo'lmaydi. To'xtang, to'g'ri. Chunki 3 ta so'z yozilgan va 2 ta so'z deb o'ylayapman. 2 ta so'z deb o'ylayapman. Xot qo'shsangiz ham bo'ladi. All right, xot qo'shsangiz ham bo'ladi. Chunki 3 ta so'z yozilgan ekan. All right. Xo'p, mana qarang, mana bu 2 ta so'z anaqa bu ketdi. Cold humid air degan so'z ketdi. Crucially, qanday edi u? Cool, keyin also mana grow degan joyi ketdi. Crucially, because much less water evaporates from the what? From the leaves, plants need much less moisture to grow, and the plants need much to grow than they were being irrigated in the hot ray out. Okay, what's all right, pastga tushamiz. Menimcha qolganlarning javobi pastda. 32 bilan 33 ni topdik. The air conditioning of the interior greenhouse is completed by the second feature, the roof. Mana bu tipa, the roof. It has two layers, an outer layer of clear polyethylene and an inner coated layer of infrared radiation. This combination ensures the visible light can stream through the plants, maximizing rate of plant growth. At the same time, infrared is trapped in the nima trapped bo'libdi? Mana bittasi topdik. Bitta narsani topdik. Hop, nima trapped bo'libdi? Infrared radiation bo'ladi, to'g'ri. Infrared. Qaysi savol javob bo'ladi? Hop, trapped so'zi gets caught ga sinonim bo'ladi. Gets caught ga, shuning uchun mana bu 34 bo'ldi. Hop, endi mana bu ko'rsatgan belgisichi surface sea water. Endi nima edi u? 35 qaysi joyda ko'rsatyapti, men tushunmayapman. 34 infrared radiation. Hop, endi 36 ni topishimiz kerak. Belgisi nima edi? Bitta javob chiqdi. Okay, oxirgi javoblar bu paragrafda ekan. Xo'p, 35-36 javoblar nima bo'ldi? Do'stlar, 35-36 javoblar. Hammalaringiz har xil javoblar yozyapsizlar. Juda har xil javoblar. Juda har xil javoblar. Mana qarang, yana 36 ga e'tibor bersangiz, 36 ga shamolga o'xshagan, havoga o'xshagan narsa bo'lishi kerak. Chunki mana bu narsa ko'rsatib qo'yibdi-ku, mana qarang. Mana bunaqa belgi kelyapti. Demak, bu nima edi u? Shamolga o'xshagan narsa bo'lishi kerak-da, to'g'rimi? Mana bu narsa. E'tibor bersangiz. Right? Mana belgicha bo'lgandan keyin deep sea water debdi. Mana fikrimcha, lekin mana bu 35 aniq. 35 nima bo'ldi? Condenser bo'ldi. 35 condenser. Xo'p, 35 nima uchun? Hits the second moisture cardboard, mana cardboard urdi. And while that increases its humidity, it reeks the condenser. Keyin reeks the condenser. Uni orqasida turibdi. Xo'p, which finally collects from the hot, humid air the moisture for irrigating the plants. Manimcha 36 savol javobi hot, humid air bo'lsa kerak. Hot, humid air. Yana o'ylab ko'rsa ham bo'ladi. Endi nimani nazarda tutyapti, men bilmadim, lekin mana bu joyda. Yana men belgilarga qarasangiz, mana bu deep sea water return deb turibdi. U ham bitta variant. Agar oq belgilar bitta narsani ko'rsatayotgan bo'lsa, deep sea water bilan sea water return hammasi oq belgilarga qarasangiz, bu menimcha ko'pchilik oxirgi yozayotganlar to'g'ri aytyapsizlar, menimcha pure distilled water bo'lsa kerak. Pure distilled water javob. All right? Pure distilled water. Sababi. Qarang, logichli make sense qiladi. Siz boyaga mana brat uxlab qoluvdi. Uxlab qarasa sochig'i suv bo'lib qolgan. Keyin so'radi o'rtog'idan. O'rtoq dedi. Qanaqa tushuntirib berchi menga dedi. Fizikada nima dedi? Keyin fizik o'rtog'i, Angliyadagi o'rtog'i tushuntirib berdi. Endi bu o'yladi, men qanaqa qilib shu suv yo'q joyda nima deydi, suv qilsam bo'ladi. Keyin issiqxona yaratdidan havodan suv qilyapti. Endi oxirida nima o'simliklarni o'stirish uchun nima bo'lib chiqish kerak? Oxirida. Endi bu protsessda oxiriga e'tibor bering. Protsessda oxirida nima bo'lib chiqish kerak? Suv chiqish kerak-da. To'g'rimi? Keyin mana bu belgilarga qarasangiz ham water turibdi. Demak, bu nima bo'lishi kerak? O'z-o'zidan tabiiyki pure distilled water bo'lishi kerak. Boshida kelgan havo oxirida nima bo'lib chiqib ketishi kerak? Suv bo'lib chiqib ketishi kerak. Menimcha eng to'g'ri keladigan javob pure distilled water, to'ppa-to'g'ri distillangan toza suv bo'lib chiqadi-da oxirida. All right. Lekin rosa qiyin bo'ldi. Mana aytganimdek, IELTSda 3-passageda ko'p beradi. Mana ko'p bermaydik. Mana labeling diagram 3-passageda tushadi. Mana shunaqa. All right. Endi Abu Dhabi misoliga qaytib bossak bo'ladi. Abu Dhabi greenhouse or more or less itself. Is it rare? Not really common, but they appear. Yeah, they do appear. All right. When the day is sunny, quyoshli bo'lgan kunda equipment javob qiladi. When there is no wind, something. Let's go. On windless days, fans ensure its constant flow of Javob nima bo'ldi? 37 ga. 37 ga javob. Fence. Do'stlar, fence. Not constant flow degani bu yoqdagi retain degan sinonim bo'ladi. Fence. Ho'p, keyingisi, once it's returned to the local environment, you don't need any more there for it to work. We can run the entire operation of plug, and in the future we could make it entirely independent of the grid. An idea to power the greenhouse farm and powered from solar panels. Yeah, exactly. So it's 8 nima bo'libdi? 8 solar panels. Hope, davom etamiz. 39. However, critics point out the construction of course around square foot are quite high. By illustration, Platon presents that it can cool efficiently kilowatt air conditioner while using less than 3 kilowatts of electricity. Argue that are not good economics. Something not good economics. What's not good economics? What's not good economics? Construction costs are not good economics, exactly. Construction costs not good economics because, yeah, that's what they say. Good, they are quite high. 39 construction economics. Construction economics. Oh no, construction costs. All right. Then, by illustration, however, Platon itself, kilowatt, this thus plants. So the effect of the cost of distillated greenhouse is only quarter that of the distill, which is good. Besides, it really suggests environmental way of way so'zi qaysi so'zga synonim bo'ladi? Way so'zi o'z-o'zidan approach so'ziga synonim bo'ladi. 40 savolning javobi environmentally friendly. Mana copy paste qilib ko'chirib qo'ysam bo'ladi. Hop, environmentally friendly ko'chirsak, shu bilan endi paraphrase table'da qilamiz. Paraphrase table. Do'stlar, construction chunki ko'plikda kerak-ku bizga. Ko'plikda R turibdi. R turgani uchun. Hop, endi keling paraphrase table tuzamiz, do'stlar. Hop, 40 dan boshlaylik, teskarisiga boshlaylik. 40. Way so'zi approach so'zining o'rniga tekstda way so'zi keldi. Keyin 39 not good economics o'rniga quite high degan so'z keldi. Quite high. Ya'ni qimmat deyapti-da. Buncha pul. Powered from solar panels. Bir xil tushibdi. Retain so'zining o'rniga 37dagi retain so'zining o'rniga nima degan so'z keldi? Ensure a constant flow degan. Flow. Xo'p, 36-savolga qaraymiz. 36-savolga qarasak, endi biza bu yoqda gets qarang, qaysidir ba'zilarini qila olamiz xolos. Remains bilan gets caught ga sinonim qilsak bo'ladi. 34 gets caught ga nima sinonim bo'ladi, do'stlar? Gets caught ga nima sinonim bo'ladi? Trapped so'zi sinonim bo'ladi. Xo'p, yana bitta so'z. Keyin remains so'zgachi 33 ga remains ga nima sinonim bo'ladi? Kept so'zi sinonim bo'ladi. 32 ga topolmadik, obviously 31. Immediately ga sinonim, 30 immediately ga sinonim, antonim to'g'rirog'i. Contradiction, decade degan. Xo'p, keyingisi qanday u? By accident ga sinonim bu 27 da. By accident so'ziga sinonim out of the blue. Mana shuncha ko'p nima deydi, sinonimlar ham chiqmadi. Uncha ko'p sinonimlar ham chiqmadi. Atak mana shular. Bizani sinonimlarimiz bugungi. Xo'p, endi siz bilan 34 hit emasmi? Qani qaraymiz do'stlar. Ba'zi bir takliflar bor. 34-savolda xato qilgan bo'lishimiz mumkin ekan. Hit gets caught. Biz nima so'z tanladik? To'g'ri so'z, to'g'ri. Okay, Hayitbek aytyaptilar. Hit emasmi? Anaqa to'g'ri javob. Haqiqatdan ham hit ekan. Sababi e'tibor bersangiz, hit from it subjecti hit bo'lmas subjecti. Bu prepositional phrase'da bu subject bo'lmay qoladi-ku. Javob nima bo'lishi kerak edi 34-savolda? Hit ekan. All right. O'chiramiz. All right. Hit javob. Hit. Shu paraphrase table qanchalik muhim? Endi sinonimlarni ko'rish uchun, o'zi sinonim testi bo'lgani uchun paraphrase table qilib qo'ysangiz yaxshi. Is it always will be? Is it tushunmayapman Umar gapingizda. Inglizcha yozing. Xo'p, endi biz siz bilan nima qilamiz? Siz bilan do'stlar reading o'qiymiz. If you have word approach, will it be with adjective? Endi oldiga qaysi so'z turkumi kerak bo'lsa shuni qo'yasiz. Umar, so'z turkumi. Endi qaraysiz, adjectivedan oldin, misol uchun noundan oldin adjective kerak. To'g'rimi? Fe'ldan keyin nima? Fe'ldan keyin bizga ravish kerak. Qaysi so'z turkumini modify qiladi, shunga qaraysiz. Xo'p, bugungi artiklimiz sizlar bilan lessonda qiziq artikl o'qiymiz. All right, qiziq artikl o'qiymiz. Bu ham bo'lsa, kelasi ham bir xil artikl tashlaymiz. Sizlarga nima balo bo'ldi? All right. Xo'p, do'stlar, do not kill, repel. The world's insects are in trouble. Changing how we use pesticides could help them recover. Dunyoni anaqalari nima qilayotgan ekan? Insektlarida trouble ekan, demak muammo bor. Bu ham bo'lsa, biz pesticidelarni ko'p ishlatayotganimiz uchun ekan. Pesticide qarang, bizda har xil so'z bor. Herbicide bor. Bizda pesticide, herbicide yana nima bor? Pesticide, herbicide, something like that. Pesticide pestlarni o'ldiradi. Herbicide weedlarni o'ldiradi. All right? Xo'p, pesticidelarni boshqacha ishlatishimiz kerak ekan. Shunda insektlarga yordam berar ekanmiz. Well, insects are disappearing. Insektlar disappear degani vanish degani. The world has 25% fewer terrestrial insects. Terrestrial nima degani terrestrial? Terrestrial. Related to earth degani, land degani. All right? Xo'p, now then 1990-yilga nisbatan nima ekan? Shuncha kam ekan. This includes those we rely on to pollinate our crops and clean our rivers. Insects ikkita foydasi bor ekan, bila oldik. Ular pollinate qilar ekan cropslarimizni. Ikkinchi marta clean our rivers ham qilar ekan. Bizning dengizlarimizni tozalar ekan. Benefits of insects. Mana ikkita o'rganib ketdik. Well, if we don't solve this problem, some species will disappear. Shu bilan birgalikda effect nima ekan? Effects, species disappear. Bu IELTS ga media olib ketaversak bo'ladi. There are many causes for the insect decline. E'tibor bering, noun phrase ga e'tibor bering. Insect decline. But insecticides are a major part of the problem. Ko'p sabablari bor. Eng asosiysi insecticide. Major part of the problem. Those used today are longer lasting. Hozirgilarni insecticidelarni qarang, bitta bilishingiz kerak bo'lgan narsa, readingni yaxshiroq tushunmoqchi bo'lsangiz, referencingni yaxshi tushunishingiz kerak. Bu yerda those so'zi nimaga nisbatan ishlatildi? Insecticides ga so'zlagan nisbatan ishlatilib bo'lgan. Xo'p, va 100.000 marta 1970-yillarga nisbatan 10.000 marta juda zaharli ekan. Adding to the problem is that, mana qarang. Men bu narsa task 2 da shunaqa yozib olsangiz, vaqti zo'r bo'ladi. Adding to the problem is that. Adding to the problem is that, right? Task 2 mana shunaqa yozib olsangiz, ya'ni furthermore, moreover deyavermasdan, adding to the problem is that these pesticides now applied to crops prophylatically and used whether pests are present or not. Prophylatically nimaligini bilmayman. All right, applied to cropsga bu yoqda pest bormi yo'qmi ishlataverar ekanmiz. Overall, the amount of pesticide applied to the land is decreasing, but this is grossly misleading statistics. Kamayapti, lekin bu xato statistika. Recent paper found between 2005 and 2015 there was 40% reduction in the amount of pesticide applied to crops. But because modern insecticides are so much more toxic, the global toxicity of treated land to pollinating insects has more than doubled in the same period. Qarang, nima bo'libdi? Nima bo'libdi do'stlar? Hozir kim tarjima qilib beradi? Nima qilib qo'ygan? Insecticidelarni 40% kamaygan, 40%, right? 40% less, 40% less, but toxicity isi 2 marta oshgan. Toxicity isi double qilgan. Yine aytyapti, kamroq ishlatayotgan bo'lishimiz mumkin insecticide, lekin ular vahshiy qolib ketib o'ldiraveradi, o'ldirishni davom ettiradi. Governments and regulating agencies are aware of the problem. Muammodan xabari bor. And some parts of the world have moved to ban the use of certain insecticides outdoors in an attempt to, qarang mana, in an attempt to ham do'ri bor. In an attempt to harakat to try to deyavermasdan, in an attempt to desays bo'ladi. To help bees survive. Mana bundan against vala hukumatlar xabardor. Shuning uchun ba'zi bir dunyoning ba'zi bir davlatlarida ular insekticidelarni ishlatishni taqiqlayapti, ayniqsa asallarga yordam berish. But the pesticides used instead are just as toxic. Lekin ularning o'rniga ishlatilayotgan pesticidelar baribir toxic. One often touted approach, qani men yaxshi so'z ekan, lekin bilmayman. All right. Let's go. Tout degani nima degani ekan? To try to persuade people that's something is important, valuable by praising it. Biror narsani maqtasangiz tout bo'lar ekan. Approach method degani used to pesticide free pest control methods. Pesticide siz pestlarni kontrol qilish metodlari. These varied techniques, qarang, method so'zini o'rniga these varied techniques deb ketyapti. These varied techniques, man referencing task 2 again. Are gathered under the name of integrated pest management, integrated pest management again. Okay, integrated pest management nima deysa, shunda integrated pest management nima degani ekan? Kim aytadi? Integrated pest management nima edi bu? Nima integrated pest management? Pesticide free pest control methods. Do'stlar, men aytdi, pesticide free control methods, yeah? Hope. They offer a creative, effective, they offer effective crop protection, include methods such as crop rotation. Crop rotation degani bitta joyga har yili ko'rmaysiz bir narsani. And the use of natural predators. Shu bilan birgalikda natural predatorslar. Ya'ni tabiiy anaqalar, yeydiganlar. But their adoption has been incredibly slow. Ularni adoption degani nima degani? Their adoption has been incredibly slow. Nima degani? Their adoption has been incredibly slow. Tatbiq qilish degani, to'ppa moslashuv degani emas, tatbiq qilish degani. Tatbiq qilishi, adoption degani start using degani. Moslashish emas, bu ikkalasi ikki xil so'z. Adapt bu moslashish, adopt bu start using something degani. All right, adopt. Bularni tatbiq qilinishi sekin bo'ldi, chunki hamma spray qilib qo'ysam oson ketar ekanda, osongina. Shuning uchun IPM metodlar juda kamdan kam ishlatiladi. Neither changing insecticides nor shifting is a quick fix. Na insecticidelarni o'zgartirib, nor shift qilish IPMga quick fix qarang. Yana bitta zo'r so'z. Nargiz problem solution so'yturga fix degan so'zni ishlatsangiz bo'ladi. Yechim degan ma'noda. Alright, biz albatta yetadimi? Xudo xolasa yetadi. We argue instead that we need a subtle shift in the focus away from killing pests towards protecting crops. Kelinglar boshqacha qilaylik deyapti. Undan ko'ra pestlarni o'ldirgandan ko'ra croplarni himoya qilaylik. Hope currently products are developed in market to kill pest insects immediately. This has become the goal of crop treatments, and the death of the insect is considered the proof that treatment works. All right, but the real goal of pesticide is not to wipe out insects, it's just to protect crops to secure fruit production. Bizdan o'zi undan maqsad cropni himoya qilishga, kelinglar undan ko'ra cropni himoya qilamizdan insektni o'ldirmaymiz deyapti. We found that using just a fraction of concentrations applied today stops insects feeding on crops. Ozginasi, fraction degani ozginasi, concentrations degani, using just a fraction of concentrations applied. Concentration manimcha chemicals degani. Concentrations chemicals bo'lsa kerak. Concentrations. Okay, concentration degani. Xo'p, concentrations degani. Amount of substance in a liquid or in another substance. All right, concentration degani, yo'q, focus degani emas. Bironta liquidni bir qismi degani ekan. Bironta liquidni bir qismi, all right? O'shani kamginasini ishlab biz insektlarni to'xtatsak bo'ladi. At these reduced concentrations there would be a lot less insecticide leaching into the environment, so less harm to beneficial insects. Kamroq ishlatsak, insectlarga kamroq zarar bo'ladi. This low dose is equivalent of an anti-mosquito spray. It repels mosquitoes so it won't bite you. But the mosquito spray ga o'xshaydi deyapti. Whether the mosquito is alive or not doesn't matter. Either way you have received protection. O'ldimi farqi yo'q, sanga sana chaqmasa bo'ldi-ku deyapti. Xuddi shunaqa qilishimiz kerak insektlarga. Similarly, we don't need to kill all pests in insects in a crop. Hamma insektni o'ldirib tashlamasak ham bo'ladi. We just need to reduce the population enough to ensure that it causes no important economic damage. Hammasini o'ldirmasdan faqat iqtisodiy zarar yetkazmaydigan miqdordagisini o'ldirsak bo'ladi. Farmers know that a handful of insects, handful degan few degan, don't cause problems. It's when they reproduce that trouble comes. We found that much less insecticides needed to prevent insects from reproducing than is needed to kill them. Trouble qachon keladi? Ular ko'payib ketsa keladi, reproduce qilib tashlasa. We have also discovered that crops are inadvertently treated, unintentionally treated too many times. Often they are first treated with fungicides that happen to be toxic to insects. Treating them again with insecticides like killing one bird with two stones. Agar faqat yana bir marta insecticide bilan o'sha o'simliklarni qilsak, killing one bird with two stones. Bitta qushni ikki marta o'ldiramiz. By using minimal dose, we need to protect crops. We could reduce the amount of insecticide. Kamroq dozada ishlatsak, insecticidelarni kamroq ishlatamiz. Farmers could benefit from those changes. They would spend less money on pesticide. Farmerlarga ham foydasi bor, dehqonlarga ham. Ular kamroq pul ishlatadi pesticidega, crop production ham o'stiradi, right? Reducing insecticide dose won't solve the insect decline problem, but it's a move that could win us to make food production more sustainable and reconcile farmlands and natural ecosystems we crucially depend on. Lekin bitta narsaga yordam beradi. It's a move degan solutionga o'xshash so'z that could win us time. Bizga vaqt berishi mumkin bu narsa. Nima qilishga? Food productionimiz sustainable bo'ladi, davom etadi va tabiatga zarar yetkazmaydi. Shu bilan birgalikda farmland bilan ekosistemamizni bir balans qilsak bo'ladi. And that will allow insects to recover. Bu esa o'sha vaqt insektlarga ko'payishiga zamin yaratadi, yordam beradi deyapti. Xo'p, qiziq passage va zerikarli passage sababi IELTSda shunaqa passagelar ko'p. Masalan, siz 2000 uxlab tushingizga kirmaydigan narsa bu, to'g'rimi? Men insekt haqida o'ylamaysiz, unless shunaqa sohada ishlamasangiz. Endi menimcha bu gazetani o'qimaydigan odamlarning ham hech kimning hayoliga kelmaydi bunaqa narsa. Demak, qiziq narsa o'rgandik. Insektlar bizga kerak ekan. Insektlar nima uchun kerak ekan bizga? Insects nima uchun kerak ekan? No, No, to pollinate crops and to clean our rivers, right? Hop, aşağıda bize hazır. Stop recording.